Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. I'm fit as a fiddle by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm feeling so glad, so delicious. So welcome to my daily initiating challenge, day 24. You can see I'm making video one road. It's located Mirpur 2 behind one primary government school. So right now you can see find couple of coconut shops, and it's morning time. That's why a small businessman buying this coconut, and after that he going to like market, and he selling this coconut. Okay. And I'm making video is morning time. That's why people not available. Just rickshaw, some car, and some bus walking this road. Because it's high time to morning, and it's right now time is it maybe 6:40 a.m. o'clock. And you thinking every day I'm making video after lunch, and today why I'm making video morning time? The question answer is today our all students playing football. Okay, that's why we have a free time, and that's why I'm making video morning time. I thinking after Zohor I'm making new video or new work, and I study self study. It's my free time, no problem. But morning time I have time. Why I'm this time lose, and why I'm this time it's valuable time, so I am lose this time. That's why I'm making video, and I'm trying to this video making minimum 10 minutes, inshallah. And I'm talking, no problem. I'm walking on road, and when I video making on road, that time first 2 days, 3 days, and things not good, so bad, cause some afraid, some shyness, and some weakness, and also some hesitation. People whatever thinking me, people whatever backbiting me, and when I'm making video on road, maybe people not like it, and people say me, why you making video one road? And some people capture camera, that's why maybe he not like it. Why you capture me? When he asked me this question how and where I answer I give. That's why first of all 2 days I'm very hesitated. After that 5-6 days making video, then I realize it's not a big deal. Every day I'm making video, and so my one friend, he said every day I'm talking just one topic. Every day I'm making video 100 days challenge. I'm also know I'm talking this type of, but I believe one day I are talking inshallah new thing, and trying to give my best you. Okay. So and I believe every try did not fail. One day inshallah I'll be successful. So right now you can say it's dusty, and is smelling very dusty, and it's not good. Maybe all city this place is dusty this side, and the city corporation after that they took and go to dusty place. Okay, and you can see every day you say I'm good, I'm good. Today why you say I'm bad?
He is not talking with wife, but he always talking others.
You say lying, one line. One line, you go to Jannah, it's enough. One line, you go to Jannah, it's enough.
All audience knowing. Zakaria all the time say
English.
rich and good.
Bro, Zakir's character is good or bad?
Must be bad.
Proof.
Yesterday, whole night. What did you do?
This person always
Every person, every person. I say.
your assistant.
Whole night.
This
Bro,
person assistant,
I
this
say
person.
every person talking with girl, and you are loyal, right? Kasif bro talking girl, I talking girl, and
I
you
got
are
two person is
Bhabi also you are loyal. When one day Bhabi will keep you, inshallah. Say inshallah. Say Amin. Bro, say Amin.
What did you do in your whole life?
Your eyes talking. Yesterday you hanky panky all right.
It's a high time.
Girl talking, right? No, but we are not sleeping. Behind this couple of cars, it's risky. That's why I took footpath. So you can see behind is some building and behind is some school. So every day I'm trying to face talking and fluently talking. This hard working, you know, what is the reason? The reason is I need to fluent in English. That's why I'm making video every day. Any single days I didn't miss, any single days I didn't rest, and any single days I didn't compromise myself. Because any days I compromise myself, that after that I lose my consistency and I lose my monotony. Okay. That's why I think it's not good. You know, you lose your consistency one time, after the 3-4 days is not possible come back with your consistency. The reason why I talking every time, when you making one rule and one routine, after that you can't miss any single days and I will not compromise yourself any single day. It's so much bad because I feel this situation and I think it's not good. When you make one routine, you just follow anyhow. Anyhow you fulfill this routine, after that you will be successful inshallah one day. And right now I'm making video one word and you thinking, what is the beneficial? It's beneficial. I took this beneficial, okay? So it's not a big deal. And maybe this word is right? Number 2. I don't know. This was possible. Primary school go to this one.
Possible we put 2 and we put 2 and
Okay. So the reason why I'm making video, okay, and I say already, and it's maybe on Usman Nursery. You can see it's very good. On Dhaka city, it's capital city, you know, it's very cruel and it's very noisy city. That's why you cannot see properly and you cannot see real trees, real flowers. All everything is fake. With man, girl, woman, all everything is fake. Its behavior not good. It's totally hanky-panky. That's why I don't like. And your question is, Dhaka city good or rural area good? The question I answer you, rural area is good. Why? Rural area, why good? I say you, Dhaka city is capital city, you know. Bangladesh is capital city, and this place is just for working purpose, good. But living purpose, rural area is good. Why? Because rural area is all everything is real and like fruit and like rice, like man, like neighbor, all everything is real. You when you talking your neighbor, when you eating one fruit like tomato, like any kind of vegetable, it's so much good, you know. But capital city, all everything is formality, you know. That's why it's not good. And I'm trying. First of all, I'll be the #1 research person in this world, and I'll be the #1 successful person in this world. After that, I making one bungalow in rural area. It's big bungalow, too much big bungalow, and I'm leaving this place inshallah one day. So it is my dream, and one day I'll be successful inshallah. And I believe you have also dream, and you follow your dream, you work for your dream, you also one day successful inshallah. It's not a big deal. And you know, every dream and every aim, every destination, it need to just some hard working, some belief, and all everything. So it's not a big deal. You have a dream, you just follow your dream, and hardworking every day, and you make one routine and you follow your routine and not compromise your routine, and not like one day you thinking today I'm not working, not follow my rules, not follow my routine, just sleeping, no problem, just 10 minutes, 12 minutes, but this 10-12 minutes destroy your life, it's not good. So thank you so very much for watching my video. It's day 24 videos. 23 videos I'm already making. It's day 24, and see you in the next video, part 3 inshallah, day 24 inshallah. So thank you again for watching my video. See you in the tomorrow, day 25. Assalamu alaikum.